How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Solana is going absolutely insane right now. It's going pretty much straight up. It just hit a new all-time high. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about why this is happening, what could happen in the future. If you don't mind, hit subscribe, turn on the bell notification underneath the video so you can see future videos just like this. If you want to trade Solana, there are a couple links underneath the video. Right? So to be clear, leverage trading can be extremely risky, but if you do want to leverage trade, there's a link to BTCC, there's a link to Blofin, there's a link to CoinW, there's a link to WEEX underneath the video as well. Look at this move on Solana. We have long positions on Solana, a lot of long positions on Solana. Look at this move from 220 to 270. Why is this? What's causing this? A couple things. Before we get into it too, let me just be clear too. Leverage trading, extremely risky. We've made life-changing amounts of money from it though. If you're not interested in that, there is a link underneath the video to our Patreon where we're talking about what we're doing in the market, exclusive videos. Check this out underneath the video. Joe's helping me run this. He has been in the crypto industry buying crypto for over a decade, which is nuts. XRP just looks great. We are actually talking about XRP later today. Has a very similar breakout to what Solana just did. Like, look, got rejected several times, downsloping resistance. Same thing as Solana. Flipped well above $265, went way above all-time highs, just like this. Then came back down, actually flipped this resistance into support, and then continued moving up. I'm not even sure if XRP got down to it. Yep, it flipped. It didn't break out to new all-time highs before it flipped this resistance into support. It just went slightly above, then went down, then went up. Solana broke out now, came down significantly, hit the support again. We actually opened a position on WEEX pretty recently on Solana when it came down to that $175 range. Now we're up about 314%. Classic setup, though. We've been saying there's been manipulation behind crypto over the last week with inauguration coming. Like, this is an extremely bullish time in crypto. Things have changed. The market is I'd say much more bullish. The administration, much more bullish and much more pro-crypto. And what do you know? Like, the total crypto market cap doing the same thing as Solana and XRP, flipping back positive. A lot of altcoins flipping back positive recently. And Solana breaking out today, most likely because it had been kind of, I don't want to say undervalued, but it had not been moving quite as quickly as it typically does. Like, we've known that Solana has been one of the best performers during the cycle, but since November, it hasn't performed very well. Up until today, it's been down compared to XRP, compared to Bitcoin. A lot of those cryptos up near all-time highs. Solana finally taking a breakout. And again, part of this is probably due to what's happening with Trump. Like, Trump just launched a meme coin, and the meme coin itself, I can actually pull it up, has been insane. It's up to $34, which Trump crypto, let's just take a look at the large market cap that's at now. This was launched on Solana. Coin market cap is actually what I want. And it's not MAGA. It is Trump, official Trump. It's a $6.75 billion market cap on a $33 billion valuation on Radium. So, like, a lot of exchanges have listed it throughout the day. Partners of this channel have done that too. CoinW, Blofin, WEEX have launched it, but this was launched originally on Solana. Brings more people back to Solana thinking, wow, Solana still got it. They're still cream of the crop. What does Trump know? Why would he launch it on Solana versus other cryptos, right? So we just get this massive pump. We're also seeing, most likely, crypto liquidations coming in for Solana. Let's look over the last 1 hour. Solana with $21 million worth of shorts liquidated. Over the last 24 hours, Solana right up there with Bitcoin with $51 million worth of shorts liquidated. That's how you get these massive moves. Now, to be clear, there can be more volatility in the future, right? This is not just meaning that we're going to go up to $400 tomorrow, but I think it's pretty clear that Solana is one of the top layer ones, if not the top layer one. And this is what people want to launch cryptos on. This is bullish, right? We broke out of this downtrend. and just exploded up over the last 4 or 5 days. Things have changed, right? We're much more, the altcoin market should be much more explosive here with this new administration. And the crypto czar, David Sachs, just said that the reign of terror against crypto is over and the time for innovation is here. To be clear, too, when you look at the crypto market cap and trend line, this is on Into the Cryptoverse. There's a 10% off code for this underneath the video as well. But you can see the logarithmic regression shows the fair value of crypto is right around where the total market cap is right now. So it's not like we're extremely overvalued based on past data, based on past cycles. If we get much more bullish, let's say we go up to the top end of this range, which is similar to what we did in 2017. We didn't quite get there back in 2021, but let's say we got to the top end of this range in 2025 towards the end of the year. We just had an insane bull run. The upper band is $44 trillion. This is where we got to. This is the upper band that we got to in 2017. This is the upper value that we got to in 2013 and 2011. $44 billion. We're at less than $4 billion now. We're talking about 10x within crypto. That's insane. Let's say we just do what we did last cycle. Let's say at the peak, we get up to a market cap maybe 4 times bigger than the fair value. At the end of 2025, that would put us around a $16 to $18 billion market cap. 4x, more than 4x what we are now. About 5x what we are now. So let's say Solana just keeps pace. Let's say Solana keeps pace with the whole crypto market and does, let's say we still move bullishly. We get a 4x throughout the rest of the cycle for crypto. Just say a 4x, not even a 5x. 4x, again, based on logarithmic regression, based on prior cycles, this would be less than we've seen in prior cycles, less overvaluation. So a 4x on Solana would put it around $1,000. Do I think we're going to get there? Possibly. Am I banking on that for sure happening? No, I'll be taking profits as time goes on because we were smart. We were able to dollar cost average. When people were panicked, we continued to buy. When people started to flip extremely bullish, we just continued on with our plans. The key is to stick to some strategy, buy in for the long term. And to be clear, it's not like I'm extremely heavy in Solana. The majority of my portfolio is actually Bitcoin still, which, some people will say, well, it's not moving much. The fact is it's done better than most cryptos with the exception of Solana, XRP recently, Sui, Trump coin, and like a few others, right? Like Bitcoin has actually outperformed most cryptos. It's performed the rest of the crypto market on average over the last few years. So it's also less risky. There's going to be a strategic reserve in my mind as well. So there's a lot of volatility with altcoins. They're riskier. You should get outperformance. So yeah, hopefully Solana does outperform Bitcoin. Let's say Bitcoin gets up to 200,000. If Solana just keeps pace with it, that's around a $500 Solana. So I think it can still do really well. Do I think 260 is the top? No. Do I think we're going to face a little bit of resistance here? Because, we've hit this point around 260 to 270 a lot. Yeah, we could face a little bit of resistance, but I also wouldn't bank on that. The market looks really, I don't want to say risky. It seems very risk on is what I'm trying to say. It seems frothy. It seems like bulls are back and they're the ones pushing the market right now. They're the ones controlling the market. Bitcoin continues to hit like 104, 105. We have a new meme coin that's popping up to a $30 billion market cap in less than 12 hours. Solana is going to be volatile, so be ready for anything. If you want to kind of ask me questions, see what I think about the market, you can check out the Patreon. Also, there are links underneath the video if you want to trade. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.